Do people often ask to repeat what you said? You speak, but they don't understand, and that makes you confident, right? Well, in this video, I'm going to share you some proven tips and techniques so that you can speak 10x clearer. Yes, this is possible without wasting your precious seconds. Let's get started. First of all, we have to understand why clear speech matters. So, when we speak clearly, slowly, precisely, then people can understand us better, and there will be a smooth conversation. And if there will be a smooth conversation, they don't ask you to repeat your particular word, your sentence, not. And when everyone is listening to you, there is a silence, everyone is just focusing on you, it will boost your confidence. Am I right? Yes, it will boost your confidence, and then you speak more powerfully with your emotions, and then you can express yourself like a pro. And you know what? Every clear speakers are seen as more professional, smarter, and trustworthy. Even whether there's an interview, social situation, or online meetings. Being clearer leaves a strong positive impression on everyone around you. So that's why we have to speak clearer, and you will understand it better. So let's get started with our first technique. Number one, slow down your speech and take pauses. Yes, when you speak slowly, it gives your audience time to process what you are exactly saying. It clears your pronunciation, and you know what? Clear pronunciation is a key to grab people attention. And don't rush from one word to another. Take pauses. It makes your speech professional. It gives a rhythm in your speech. So, take pauses and speak slowly. Second one is vocal practice. Vocal practice is one of the most important part of clear speaking. Communication skills. So, when you train your vocals to speak clearly, so after that, when you speak on the stage, you can speak clearly. So, how to train your vocals? First of all, take a paragraph every single day and start speaking it slowly, loudly, and most important thing is try to pronounce single word but over pronounce every single word. Like if I have a sentence, I am working hard, don't say like this, I'm working hard. Yes, this is correct. But while you are practicing, say like this, I am working hard. Like overpronounce every single word. If you overpronounce every single word, it will train your vocals, it will train your muscles so that you can speak more clearly while you speak on stage. Second one is record yourself every single day so that you can understand where you are lacking, and then after that you can correct it every single day. Because when you record yourself, you see how your facial expression is, how you are expressing yourself, because you are going to look same on the stage while you're speaking. Because if you practice here, you look more confident there. Now, whatever I have said you have to practice it daily. What I'm saying, you have to practice it daily. So after that you can speak 10x clearer, and I know you are capable. If you are watching this video, I know you are capable. So I want to ask you a question. What stops you to speak clearly? Fear of judgment, pronunciation mistakes, or grammatical mistakes? Let me know in the comments. I really want to know. Thanks for watching my video. Bye bye.